For anyone looking for fast access to their pay, a key question often comes up: can I use Beforepay on weekends or public holidays? It's a valid concern, because unexpected costs don't wait for a regular business day, and traditional banking services often slow down or close entirely when it's not Monday to Friday. The good news is that Beforepay's Pay Advance is designed for 24/7 access. Yes, you absolutely can use Beforepay on a Saturday, Sunday, or any public holiday. The service operates around the clock because they understand that life happens outside of typical banking hours. Whether it's an urgent repair or an expense that popped up over a long weekend, the app is ready when you are. Once you are an eligible user and have set up your account, cashing out a Pay Advance can typically get the funds into your bank account in under a minute, regardless of the day. This is a huge benefit, as it means you don't have to wait for the next business day for banks to process your request. This fast, continuous service is a major feature that sets the Pay Advance apart from many traditional short-term borrowing options. So, if you're wondering about using Beforepay to bridge a financial gap during the weekend or a holiday, rest assured the service is available and fast. Just remember to always use these types of services responsibly and check your eligibility and the fixed fee before cashing out. Thanks for tuning in for this quick financial tip.